Namaste, my dear students. How are you all? How was your day? I hope you're all very happy. Be energetic, be active, so learn well. Shall we begin our class now? So it's just a recapitulation. So in our last class, we have seen data. So it is nothing but an information in the form of numbers, right? So it has two types. One is primary data. The primary data means it is collected by the person. So the information has been obtained directly. The secondary data is a second-hand information. So the information which has already been collected by someone. Now we shall see the exercise 5.1. We are going to see exercise 5.1. The first one is the fill in the blanks. So the first question is the collected information is called dash. So what is the answer for this? Yes, very good. The answer is data. And also the plural form of datum is called as the data. So datum is a singular word and data is a plural word because it gives us more information. No. Okay. Second question. An example of a primary data is dash. So children, you can give answers on your own. I am writing one answer here. Okay. So the answer is types of sand collected by the student. So directly the student is going to collect the different types of sand. So it comes under primary data. Third one, an example of a secondary data is dash. So I am going to write cricket scores from the website. Fourth question, the tally marks for number 7 in standard form is. So how will you write 7 in the tally form? 1, 2, 3, 4. So how will you draw the fifth one? It should start from right to left. It should be a cross like this. So it is considered as 5 and then 6, 7. So this is the tally mark 7. Look at the fourth question. The following are the marks obtained by 30 students in a class test out of 20 in mathematics subjects. So here in a class there are 30 students. They have scored marks that have been given here. So out of 20 marks the student scores 11, 12, 13, 14, 16 like this. So these are the marks of the 30 students. Now we are going to draw this in the tally marks. Okay. So I have written the marks of the student. So this we call it as observation. Okay. Now, so this column represents the marks of the students. 11, 12, 13, 14 like this it goes on. Then now we are going to do tally marks for this. And finally, frequency. How many times that number has occurred. So that we call it as frequency. Now always start with the certain order. Even in the ascending or descending order. So that you will not get confused. Okay. So starting with 11, count how many 11s are there. So 1. Then where it is? Here we have 11. So 2 11s are there. So how will you do this? 2 tally marks. So you should write it as 2. Okay. Next 12. So after completing you can draw a circle like this or you can else put a tick mark so that you will not be confused. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 12s are there. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 should be drawn like this. So the number 5 has been written. Now 13. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 13s are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tally marks. So write the number 4. Next is 14. So how many 14s are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the frequency is also 4. Now count the number of 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 should be drawn like this, and this is 6. Write the frequency as 6. Next 16. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Write the number 4. Next 17. 1 and then 2. Next 18. Only one number is there. So write 1. Then 19. So how many 19? That is also 1 and 20 is also 1. So directly I am writing this. Okay. Now we need to add this. What is 2 plus 5? 7. 7 plus 4? 11. 11 plus 4? 15. 15 plus 10? 25. 25 plus 2? 27. 28, 29, 30. So it gives the total of the 30 students. Is that clear? Next, fifth one. The table shows the number of calls recorded by a fire service station in 1 year. So they have given the table. So these are the type of calls they received and the tally marks is given and frequency. So in between they have, we need to fill it up. Okay. So first one is building fires. So see, count the tally marks. How many numbers are there? Yes, very good. 6. So the frequency is 6. Second is other fires. Count this. So easily we can add it that this is 5 and this is 5. So 10 plus 1, 11. Next, hazardous materials. So here we need to draw the tally marks. They have given the number as 7. So how will you draw this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next, rescue. That is 4. So I need to draw 4 tally marks. False alarms. So that is count. So here we have 5, 6, 7. So now total. Add it and say. So 11 plus 6, 17. 17 plus 7, 24. Plus 4, 28. Plus 7, 35. So the total is 35. Now we need to complete the answers for this. So the table has been over. Now answer the following questions. Which type of call was recorded the most? So by looking at the frequency, we can say easily. So which call they have received the most? Where here we have 11. So this is the most number of calls they have received. So 11 represents other fires. Which type of call was recorded the least? So which gives which is the least number here? 4. 4 represent rescues. How many calls were recorded in all? So here they are asking the total number. So what is our total? 35. That's all. How many calls were recorded as false alarms? So this is a false alarms. So how many calls they received? 7. So I think this is easy, no? That's all, students. So these are the answers. So children, second and third one is your home assignment. So I am just going to give you a hint. You can do it on your own. So copy this in the classwork. Okay. Vijay threw a die 30 times and noted down the result each time as follows. Prepare a table on the numbers shown using tally marks. So you all know a die. So it has 6 faces. So you need to prepare a table. So first column should be the faces of a die. So the faces of the dice are 1, 4, 3, 5. So they have given 30 numbers. So you just write in the ascending order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. The second column followed by that is tally marks, and the last one is frequency, and at last you need to total. So the total should be, you should get it as 30. Then only the answer will be right. Okay. Third one, the following list tells colors liked by 25 students. Prepare a table using tally marks. So instead of numbers, they have given in the words. That's all. Just draw a column. The first one represents the colors. Just write it as colors and write what are all the colors given. So red, blue, green, grey, white is given. So just sort out the colors. Then tally marks. So how many red colors are here? Just count it and draw the tally marks. And the frequency, write the number. At last you need to add it. You should get it as 25. Is that clear, students? So this you need to write in your classwork. Thank you, children.